Deering here from Remax. We've got another new listing for you this week. We are out in Lowing Woods, which is a big complex of homes, condominiums. There's a nice common area which we're going to show you. But today we have a condo. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath condominium. Trendy, super cool. Come on in and check it out. Let's get inside. It's a scorcher out there. Hot summer we got going on, but as soon as you walk in, you got the nice convenient half bath with pocket door. So that's super convenient. And then you walk in, and I love the feel of this. You walk right into this kitchen with hard surface countertops, nice stainless steel appliances. Look at the color of these cabinets. I just think it pops really well off the wall. You do have the subway tile, and these are all soft close, real nice cabinets all the way to the ceiling. And there's a small pantry here, perfect for, looks like they're using it for pots and pans. Could be food, pots and pans, whatever you'd like. Nice little snack bar there, perfect for 3 or 4 people. And then here we are in the living room. So you do have 3 levels in this condominium, and there's going to be a lot of space. I don't know if you can tell in the picture, but this is big furniture, and it's still not over consuming the area. Lots of open space. So real nice living area. Right off the living area is going to be a deck. Perfect for a nice little sitting area. You got the black stone grill out here. And what I love is that you're west facing. So this is the sunset side. So you can sit out here in the evenings, sip some wine, watch the sunset. And right now it's just natural, nice leaves and trees and beautiful back there. Okay, let's head over this way. Give you an idea of the flow. This was the front door we walked in. This is gonna be the 1-stall garage that we're passing. You do have a coat closet here, easy for the guests and or for the owners. And let's head upstairs. All right, so you get to the top of the stairs, and right off the bat you've got a nice storage closet here. What's really cool about this condo, in my opinion, is there's almost 2 ensuites. So you've got giant room here, and you're like, oh, this must be the primary bedroom. It's got a connected bath, it's got a walk-in closet. So you're like, oh, this is the ensuite primary. No, it's not. This is so there's 2 of them. You'll see in a minute. Before we head over to the primary, there is a 2nd-story laundry. So instead of taking those laundry baskets all the way up and downstairs with all your clothes, it's right here by the living quarters. Very convenient. Here we go. So another very good sized large room, primary bedroom. Bigger walk-in closet than the other one. I'll let you kind of peek in there. And this bedroom is west facing as well. You've got the west sunsets on that side. All right, so here's the primary bath with double sinks and nice full-size shower. So yeah, like I say, you pick, lots of options. Either you can spoil the guest or you can spoil the kid, but they can have their own bedroom, their own bathroom. Let's head on downstairs. All right, so that's the first 2 levels. Now we're in the daylight lower level. This is also a full bath. So once again, 3 full baths and a half if you're counting. Nice shower there. And walk in this direction. You've got your mechanical room. So once again, condo living should be pretty much maintenance free, all exterior maintenance taken care of. You've got the community center, which we're gonna try showing you here shortly. But yeah, maintenance free condo living. But look at this, daylight basement, real good sized family room for hanging out. Currently, you've got teenagers kind of calling this his whole domain down here, so perfect for that if you've got kids. And you got the 3rd bedroom, good sized closet. All right, so now we're down here at the community area. You've got a big, nice open place here. And then off the back, I saw people using it right now for kind of hanging out in a covered area, having drinks, sitting by the pool. We're gonna give you a glimpse of the pool, but it's really busy right now, and for privacy reasons, we're not gonna kind of do a bunch of video back there, but the pool's right around the corner. Right over here to our left, I've been out here and seen food trucks. So certain nights during the summer, food truck comes out, and it's all walking, biking distance from the condo, so awesome. All right, so now we got the play equipment. I'm a big kid, you can't go past the play equipment without checking it out. This is the big boy slide. If I fit. Oh. Yeah, nice play equipment. Right there's the pool. All right, so there you have it. There's your quick tour. Very nice condo, 3-bed, 3.5 bath. Nice community center, pool, maintenance-free living. Give us a call for your private tour.